Hey everyone, I'm going to show you this awesome app for your Mac that can transfer any file format you want into your iPhone and iPad. It's called WALTR PRO. Here on my Mac you can see different file formats, and natively these won't open on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. QuickTime and the other apps simply can't play it. You need to download third-party apps. But we don't want to do that. And for the FLAC file, I want to be able to play it with my other music. So, WALTR PRO. Here you can see, wirelessly, I'm just going to drag and drop into WALTR PRO this MKV file. And next, it'll appear on my iPhone, completely wirelessly. And there you go, it runs. Normally, you couldn't do this with just AirDrop. And just because WALTR PRO looks simple doesn't mean it's skimping on features. Here you can see by holding different buttons, I can edit the metadata or choose which app I want to drop the file into. Here you can see some of the options. With more apps, you'll see more options. I'll also show you that the WebM does also work with this app. And not only that, you can convert these formats directly on your Mac. Here you can see the WebM is now MP4 able to run natively using QuickTime Player. Boom. And also on my iPhone, it runs natively on the TV app. No need to download any third-party apps just to play some files. Well, that's awesome. Where do you get this? Head over to Softorino.com. Here's their website. Under products, you'll see WALTR PRO. And just like you saw in this video, WALTR PRO converts and transfers any file format you want. There's the free download button. Go try it out right now. I tried it once and I fell in love. But you know what? There's a universal license. Check this out. You get all of their apps, all of which are awesome, and just for one subscription. It's really great. I like Folder Colorizer for Mac to customize, and iRing because I have an iPhone, and there are more apps that are for Windows and even more apps coming later this year. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Well, this was WALTR PRO by Softorino. Check out their website, check out their products, leave a like on this video, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.